Our lesson today is on three-dimensional shapes. And at the end of this lesson, you should be able to distinguish between open and closed shapes, and also identify the uses of three-dimensional shapes in the home and environment. First of all, let's ask ourselves, what is an open shape? Well, open shapes are shapes whose straight lines or curves do not meet. They start at a point, let's say A, and then end at an entirely different point, which we call point B. Now, here are other examples of open shapes. Other examples of closed shapes include a triangle, a rectangle, a rhombus, etc. Now, answer this question. Moving on, let's learn more about three-dimensional shapes. A three-dimensional shape is a shape that has three dimensions, that is, height, length, and width. Some examples of three-dimensional shapes are cubes, cuboids, cones, and cylinders. Most three-dimensional shapes have some features in common: a face, an edge, and a vertex or corner. The flat surfaces of a shape are called its faces. An edge is where two faces meet, while a vertex or corner is where two or more edges meet. The plural of vertex is vertices. Now let's look at some properties of some three-dimensional shapes. This is a cube. It has 6 identical faces, 12 edges, and 10 vertices. Examples of cube-shaped objects around us include sugar cubes, ice cubes, dice, etc. This, on the other hand, is a cuboid. It has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Examples of cuboids at home include the books you read, tissue box, fridge, etc. Now this shape is a cylinder. It has 2 circular faces, 2 edges, and 1 circular surface. We use cylindrical objects like buckets to fetch water and drums for water storage. Other cylindrical objects are candles and glass cups. And with this example, we have come to the end of the lesson on three-dimensional shapes. Let's quickly review what we have learnt in the lesson. A three-dimensional shape is a shape that has 3 dimensions of height, length, and width. Every three-dimensional shape has a face, an edge, and a vertex. We also learnt that a cube has 6 identical faces. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces, while a cylinder has 2 circular faces. And now, it's assessment time!